Welcome back, everybody. We're back live and full effect. And today we're doing pull ups. Pull ups are going to be the hardest exercise of this 5-day, 15-minute workout series. Let's go. So, I'm actually going to go over some quick form cues this time because with pull ups, I don't want anybody getting hurt. To me, the most important form cue is that you have your elbows travel in front of you and not to your side. Having it travel to your side flares your elbows out, and that's a little hard on the shoulders. But you're gonna want to do this. If you want a deep dive tutorial, please check out my previous video, the pull-up tutorial. If you don't quite have your first pull-up yet, you can still do the follow along. I would initially start with dead hangs and seeing how long you can hold it for. And then from there, I would progress to maybe scapular pulls for the 5 sets. And lastly, you can do your negatives. Let's get it started. All right, so today we'll be doing it on the rings just for better lighting. Let's go. First time doing it on the rings. I've been doing it on the pull-up bar, and that's kind of tough. Okay, so get into it. Starting from the top down. First up, the original gym. No membership needed. If it doesn't wobble, congratulations, you found yourself nature's pull-up bar. Last 20 seconds in the middle. Shake it out. Get all the blood out of your arms so it doesn't feel too heavy. Lift your arms up. Rest, catch your breath. Finish super early, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds rest. I'm too pumped to sit down. Let's go. I'm stoked to be back, guys. It was a much needed vacation, but needed some family time. 3, 2, 1. Left. feel it in my biceps. We haven't had anything to eat. 5, 3. Let's stretch out our posterior delts. 30 seconds of this. Next, the monkey bars. Your kids think you're here to watch them, but we both know you're sneaking in a workout. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. 30 seconds rest. Shake it out. Lift your arms up, get all the blood out of there. I don't know if I can do more than 4 reps today. In this set. So what we'll do is 4, then 3, 2, and 1. Alright, let's go. 4, let's go. All the way down. 2. Uh-oh. 4, 3, 2, 1. Kind of like a pyramid. 1 minute left. Seconds left. Uh-oh. Okay, we went into our rush round, our finish up round. I set the 30-minute mark because you want to stretch each limb about 30 seconds. So that's about a minute of stretching, and we only get 30-second rest. So seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta stretch during the rest, okay? Then there's a basketball court. Hang your rings on the frame and get your reps in. Just try not to block any shots while you're up there.
Hey, when I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown like Ay, niggas from city be hating, them niggas don't show me no love. Ay, it is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug. Ay, the shit is a dub. Ay, the shit is a dubsy. Ay, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? Ay, I cannot feel you niggas, I only
Same
feel
thing,
when
we'll
it's
do
above
4.
me. Ay, stop for me quick and I promise my niggas won't make it get ugly. Ay, the shit is a dub. Ay, the shit is a dubsy. Ay, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? You know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I got it. Ay, when I'm round, they now. What's up?
No kipping, no cheating.
I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know
Might have to finish on the pull-up bar. I think I really feel it in my biceps, so I end up turning my grip over and doing more of a chin-up.
Ay, I'm just perfecting the image. Ay, shit, now the game is a scrimmage. Ay, I just been pushing the limits. Ay, don't got no hoes in my team. Ay, all of my niggas is killers. Ay, all of my niggas is squad.
Tell you guys, 15 minutes can do a lot.
Friends can't say the same about y'all. I'm minding my business and staying committed. I'm treating this shit like a job. I'm running the muck and I'm caught in the clinic. I don't do this shit for applause. Yeah, you know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I got it. Ay.
Main muscles for the pull-ups that you're looking to work out are your traps, your rhomboids, and your lats.
I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I got it. Ay. When I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. Like,
Oh, I'm suffering, guys. Suffering for you guys. Let's go. Last one. Right? Okay. Flamingos. The Hawaii special. The clothesline pull. Yes, for drying clothes, but every local dad knows it also doubles as a pull-up bar. So I'll be going over my full flexibility or stretch routine in another video. I found out with our trip in Japan that I got them really stiff just from not stretching. And stretching is so important, especially when you get older. So I'll come up with that video soon, hopefully. Biceps are shot. That's really the part that's working out. Something to think about when you do those ring pull-ups. Two. Ooh, almost didn't make that one. Even my wife was like, ooh, I don't know if that one counts. Come on. Yeah, that one counts. Okay. 3 more. Right? 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 more. Okay, we're in our rush round. Biceps shot. 8. Good quality push-ups for you guys. for a bit, but it's okay. Timer's still going. And 50. Let's go. Well, the timer stopped, but we're doing 30 minutes of toe holds to stretch the hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, yes. The doorway pull-up bar, the most loyal equipment you own. Mount it at home, at the office. If you've got a door, you've got a gym. GoPro, stop recording. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Oh, that was hard. Have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. Congratulations. Good job today. Pull-ups are freaking hard. If you're following the 5-day plan, don't forget to watch the rest of the workout series. Tomorrow, we're doing squats to hit the legs. This is Introverted Fitness Dad. See you tomorrow.
Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was fucking up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Plug talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland as part of the requirements. Could've joined a